Hi everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Pills of Animal Physiology. Today we will talk about a marine creature found everywhere in the world but that most people do not know. The frogfish. What is a frogfish? Is it a frog? A fish? Not quite. Frogfish from the family Annelida are part of the anglerfish order, which you probably remember from Nemo. There are 15 known species of frogfish present in every ocean, from the tropical region of the Atlantic and Pacific, as well as the Indian Ocean and the Red Sea, with the exception of the Mediterranean Sea. In contrast to what most people suspect of anglerfish species, frogfish do not live in the deep sea. They prefer the bottom of warm, shallow water. Their zonation range from 10 to 200 meters and are mostly found in depth of around 40. Meaning we can find this little creature even on a diving holiday. Due to their broad distribution, their size, shapes, and colors varies a lot. In general, they can range from the size of a €2 coin to the size of a clock. Frogfishes are masters of camouflage. Their coloration can range from a very bright color to a darker one, with spots, line, or even hair, depending on their environment. They are able to change their color within minutes while entering a new habitat, meaning the appearance of frogfish change even within the same species. But how it works is still unknown. This color variation allows them to perfectly blend into their surroundings. Some species, such as the hairy frogfish, have further morphological features that make them nearly invisible for prey and predators. Let's play a little game. Will you be able to find the frogfish? Good job for those! There were 2 frogfish in this picture. Hiding through camouflage and aggressive mimicry make them very efficient ambush predators, which is a common preying behavior of benthic fish species. Ambush predators sit and wait for the prey to appear instead of actively hunting. But the frogfish is not only doing that. With its lure, it can attract prey close to its mouth. Let's take a closer look. The lure, called Esca, is located at the end of a fishing rod, the Elysium. This preying apparatus is a modification of the frogfish's first dorsal fin spine, and it can take the appearance of a worm or a shrimp. Frogfish feeds on crustaceans and small fishes, which are swallowed whole. The mouth of frogfish can expand to 12 times its size, pulling the prey along with water in only 6 milliseconds. This expansion is possible to the apaxial and epaxial muscle. This allows frogfish to target fishes as large as itself. To digest big prey, frogfish have pharyngeal teeth, which look like white spots, to help them break down the food. But what happened to all the water that the frogfish ingests together with its food? The water leaves the body through tiny gills opening just behind the pelvic fin. This water movement causes so-called jet propulsion, which makes the fish move a few centimeters forwards. But jet propulsion is not the primary locomotion movement of frogfishes. Demersal fish, like frogfish, are often very inefficient swimmers and have adapted unusual morphology opposite to streamlined body shape of pelagic fish. Many demersal species have evolved particular adaptations to move on and close to the ocean floor. So, how does it really look like? In the case of the frogfish, its pectoral fins are highly modified in a way that they allow a crawling motion. So the fish is literally walking on the ocean floor. let's have a little recap of what we have learned. Frogfish are not frogs, but true fish with gills and fins. They belong to the order as angelfishes. They are masters of camouflage thanks to their coloration. They can hide and attract prey with a lure, making them efficient ambush predators. Frogfishes do not like to swim, but prefer walking with the pectoral fin. I hope you enjoyed learning about frogfish. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for a new episode of Pills of Animal Physiology.